Let's know about the fact that a guy who looks like Tiger Shroff, a Bollywood star. He is one and only a northeastern boy. David Saharia, as known as twins brother of Tiger Shroff, is so. I'm not gonna say details of Tiger. David Saharia belongs to Assam, Northeast India. He was Mr. India popularity title this year and now currently working in Assam film industry as an actor. He is young and charming. He is 21 years old and 5.9 feet tall. He graduated taking BCom as his subject. He is very fond of bodybuilding, growing muscles and also athletes and gym. However, he chooses fitness as a passion and also have a dream to join Bollywood.
तू जो अपने नैनो से बाण चला रहा है ना, तो मुझ पे काम नहीं करेगा. अपनी लिमिट में रह.
इतनी जल्दी? अभी तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया.
If you enjoyed this video and feel proud to be Northeast Indian, then please share, like the video and never forget to subscribe our channel.